Zika.
I like it, I want it, feel it. I know that I deserve it. I'm perfect, I'm working daily. It's mine, it's mine. Try MAYBACH to the rain. Clean as a bitch, look down at a stain. And the bitch that I fuck, best believe she paid. Oh, commas on commas on commas, and I still ain't changed. Cross gold paint on a day chassis. Wood grain grip on the steering wheel. GI certified, everything real. It's like that I live out amenities. I just put both my women through Emory. I cannot let these millions start getting to me, cause I know that they ain't go to enemy. Look at these hundreds, look at these women. Just got my statement, a nigga been spending. My father's the greatest, forgive me for sinning. Oh, I've been fornicating on a daily basis. I know niggas wishing they can trade me places. If I gave it to you, bet you wouldn't take it if I told you what it came with. Only thing consistent is the changes. And I know you see the road ranges, but it's bulletproof, this shit get dangerous. And these industry niggas the lamest. I be chillin', ducked off watching Shameless. Who the bad bitch? Nothing average. Check my left pocket, filled it with cabbage. Swiss accounts, here the money, I stash it. This shit different when money involved. I was fucked up, now I want it all. I was fucked up, now I want it all. Cash through everything around me. Living life kinda like Herbert Downey. If you don't know me, don't say shit about me. If you don't know me, don't say shit about me. Oh, yeah, yeah, ooh. I like it, I want it, feel it. I know that I deserve it. I'm perfect, I'm working daily. It's mine, it's mine. Try MAYBACH through the rain. Clean as a bitch, look down at a stain on. Any bitch that I fuck, best believe she paid. Commas on commas, and I still ain't changed, no. Cross gold paint on a day chassis. Wood grain grip on the steering wheel. GI certified, everything real. It's like that I live out amenities. I just put both my women through Emory. I cannot let these millions start getting to me, cause I know that they ain't go to enemy. Take it by God, got it by angel. Getting this paper different angles. I'm going through a lot to cut niggas off. Some of these changes be painful. I can't lose, I got God on my side. Fuck your rules, I don't gotta abide. The truth hurt, but you don't gotta lie. In a world full of wrong, you gotta move right.